How to recover YouTube password. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll show you how to easily recover your YouTube password. Whether you have forgotten it, need to change it, or want to secure your account after a hack, I've got you covered. However, you must know that YouTube does not have its own password. It's associated with your Google account. So what you have to do is change your Google account's password. For that, go to your Google Chrome, go to your search bar and type in account recovery. But before that, don't forget to like and subscribe our channel for more helpful tips. Now, tap on recovery email. What you have to do is tap on forgot password. Now, it will ask you how do you want to sign in. Since you don't remember your password, you can get a verification code at your recovery mail so that you can retrieve and change your password from that. Or you can also try another way to sign in, which is also use a recovery phone number and you'll get an SMS in your number. I'll choose get a verification code at my different mail. And now a verification code has been sent to my mail. Now I'll have to open my mail and enter the code.